Goalkeeper of Bangladesh was injured in the previous game, Mehdi Hassan, and that shot straight into the hands of the keeper. And that is the final whistle. Bangladesh rejoice. What a match we witnessed today. Bangladesh has clinched their very first under-20 championship against all odds, losing their goalkeeper and getting the semi-finals. The heroic of the number 2 goalkeeper Mohammad Asif came on to the semi-finals. In the finals, they beaten the whole nation, the whole nation Nepal by 4 goals to 1, and they rejoice.